Hey dolls, welcome back to a new tutorial. It's my girl Sasha, my model today, and today we are doing the neon line that you guys see me do on Instagram. You guys want more depth, and I'm going to give it to you. So here we go. We are going to use the Glam Supply brushes, the Bro Kit, and we are going to slay these brows using the Bro Kit. We're going to use number 1, so fill in the brows, and another number 1 smaller brush to clean it up. Okay, so first you want to use your spoolie, you brush your hairs up, and you use your pomade to create your little strokes that you need. She already have full nice brows. Honestly, they're a little bit thin, but they're perfect. So I just made that line, and then I just blend. I just made those two lines, and then I just fill in a little bit, and then I blend it together. That's basically what I did for her brows. Concealers, Maybelline L'Oreal Infallible, and LA Girl Pro Concealer. I think I use I don't remember the colors I use, but yeah, these are the concealers I use, the brand concealer I use. I'm going to try my best to make sure I list everything below for this tutorial, because this tutorial was really intense. Yeah, so we just basically cleaning and blending concealer, so it will just melt right into skin, sis. You want this concealer to melt right into her skin, okay? All right, so after you guys finish cleaning that, you guys want to, like I said, you guys want to make sure everything is nicely blended into her skin, and that's that. You guys see the difference. So now we are about to jump right into our eyeshadow base, which is the Ellen Cosmetics Stage Eyeshadow Primer. I used this in my last tutorial, and you guys could check that out. I'm gonna leave the link right below so you guys know what I think about this base. As you can see, it's looking pretty good, so you guys know I might love it. So we're gonna jump right into our Try palette from Juvia's Place, and we're gonna take that deep green, which is sand, and we're just gonna follow our eye shape and make sure we pat and blend, pat and blend. You want to make sure you place that shadow down. Remember, you did not set the shadow with any powder, so you're depending on the eyeshadow to set you did not set the base with any powder, so you depend on the shadow to set the base for you. And that is my 217 brush from MAC that I used to apply my first color. So now we're just gonna jump right into our Warrior 2 palette, and we're gonna take Shawata. Yes, that black eyeshadow is called Shawata, and we're just gonna pat. We're supposed to be patting and blending. I don't know what the hell I'm doing, but yeah, I mean, yeah, I know what I'm doing. So, okay, yeah, but for you guys who gonna try this and you never really try stuff like this before, you could make sure you pat before you start to really blend. That's like the method I really use. Okay, so we're just gonna go back with that 217 brush and define back that green, because as long as you add a color, you lost the color, so you just gotta bring the colors back with the same shadow you used to add it. So we're just gonna jump right into the Try palette again, and we took that lime green. That's so freaking pretty. It's called Tootsie. It's so pretty. I love that green. It just matches her hair, and then it's just pretty. Okay, so we're just gonna go right back in with the color we used to add sand, which was the deep green, and the color we used to add Shawata, which was the black, and just bring the colors back where we can see all them colors that we add up there. And now we about to cut this crease using the base that I'm about to come out with. You guys, make sure you watching my lash page. It's at Lovii Lashes Cosmetics. I'm about to come out with this base. I'm just really testing this base out, and I choose to use neon because neon barely sits on any base, and this base, listen, I can't wait for my supplier to say, okay, everything is ready, everything is all set for you guys. Okay, let me know if you will be purchasing a pigment, a base for me, and it's not even expensive, like not even. Okay, so for pigment today, I'm using EA Beauty eyeshadow pigment. This is so freaking fire. Their pigments are fire. I'm not saying my makeup pigments are not fire, because you guys know that's my go-to, my Maya makeup. But she sent me these, and why not use them? But these pigments are really, really awesome. So I add that pigment. I'm just gonna go back and I cut that crease again. Yes, you have to recut that crease, because if you don't, then you're just gonna add that pigment and try to cut that crease with it. It won't work. It will not work, baby. It won't work. So yes, you have to recut the crease. And that question, when somebody for like 5 different persons asked me that same question. You have to, sweetie, you have to. And notice I use Gelaru pigment, and that was the pigment I used for my lid space after cutting that crease, and that was that. So Sephora liquid liner, I'm gonna do a whole tutorial on liner for you guys, but I know you probably see what I was doing just now, and that's that. So for lash glue, I already told you guys what lash glue, what glitter glue. For glitter glue, I already showed you guys what glitter glue I use in a past video, maybe like 2 videos back, and it's the same glue. It's an eyelash glue that I use for glitters. It's at the beauty supply store. And yeah, I don't remember what glitters I use, but I think it's from EA Beauty. And then we're gonna throw these lashes on from my lash line. This is in the style Lovii, and they're super, super, super dope, super cute. And you want to make sure you get a pair, okay? So yeah, so we're just gonna remove that tape, and then we're gonna have that smooth side. You see, just make it easier. You don't have nothing to clean up. And that's that. I gotta say that piece of, I did say that piece of glue off. She didn't even feel it, but yeah. Everybody always asks me what you use for your eyeshadow on the bottom line to pop. NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. That's the only thing I use, and then I put my pigment on, and that's that. So we clean up with some witch hazel, and then we're gonna add our moisturizer from MAC and our glow from NYX. Listen, that glow is everything. So then we're gonna jump right into foundation, you guys. I'm so sorry, but I did not get to really blend out all this foundation because the camera battery keep dying. I have 2 battery, and like they die like 3 times. Here, I'm recording this look for you guys, but I use CoverGirl and Maybelline Superstay mixed together for our foundation. I'm gonna find the shades for you guys and list it down below. So now I'm using foundation stick from Shades by YALL, and I'm using the same concealers I use to clean my brows. So if you was listening at the beginning of the video, you know what concealers I use for highlighter. Same concealers to clean our brows is what I'm used to highlighting under eyes. Okay, all right. So we're just gonna blend that out, blend that out. Notice our contour is a little bit harsh, but don't worry, because when I finish blending, I'm gonna go over the area I blend with my foundation brush, which should make the contour more smoother, blend more with everything. If you could see this, like, look at that. Okay, so that's how I get my contour and my highlight to blend nicely, smoothly. You know, that's what I'm saying. Yeah. So yeah, this is cute. This is really nice. Like, I get better and better every 2 hours. Okay, every 2 hours. I'm not saying every hour. I get better and better every 2 hours. Okay, so we're just gonna jump right into our Black Radiance contour kit, medium to light, and we're just gonna set that contour area before the eyelid area. Yes, because I then go back over the eyelid area and just set that pat that on again, the concealer again, and then I start setting on the eyes. So we're gonna jump right into Shades by YALL setting powder. This is my go-to, especially in the summertime when it gets really, really hot. I don't want my under eyes to move nor crease. This is what I go to. Okay, and this, I think this is in the shade, I have to leave it in the bottom for you guys. Okay, so yeah, so we're just making sure that nice and set. And yes, girl, and we're just going to reverse contour with the same powder. So for inner eye area, I had to jump into my Glitter Room SUMMERITA palette, because that little greenish shimmery yellow, oh my god, just take a look at that shimmer. Like really look at that shimmer. I want you guys to really look at that shimmer. Like if y'all don't have this palette yet, y'all sleep. Okay, y'all need to wake up because y'all sleep. Yes, it's bomb. Okay, so now to blend my reverse contour, I just pat until the line disappears. Like literally what I do. Just pat with my same foundation brush and set it. After I finished putting my blush on, I did go back with my foundation brush though, and I did go with a setting powder from CoverGirl. I forgot to record that part, but I did go back myself from CoverGirl to set everything I went over with the setting powder from CoverGirl. So now to highlight, you guys, Cream and Case highlighter. Y'all, I think every one of y'all who watches videos, knows this highlight. I mean, a lot of people don't use this one often, but I use this for my lighter skin tone people, and I love it on them. Like, it just gives them this pinkish, glowy look, which I really love, and that's the look I always go for, especially when I do my lighter skin tone clients. Okay, so for lips, I went in with my glitter cosmetics glisten, I don't remember the name, cosmetics matte lipstick, and this is a green matte lipstick. I don't remember the number either, but I'm gonna list it below. And then I go in with some concealers, okay, from Makeup Revolution C2, and I just went in with some gloss after blending all that out, and bottom lashes, you know, Bad Gal mascara, and that was that for this tutorial. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys learn. Like, come through, skin, okay? Come through. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you felt this video. And yeah, like, just let me know what you think. I think this look is really beautiful, and it complements her skin and her hair, and she just makes the look beautiful as well. So yes, so pretty. Like, if you feel this, give this video a thumbs up. Like, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you dolls in my next video. Bye.